Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel Vibrant Glam. In today's video we are going to create this everyday peachy makeup look. So let's get started. First of all, I have washed my face and everything and moisturized it as well. And then I'll be putting this sunscreen. I'll type the name here on the screen somewhere and apply it very generously, and then blend it well very nicely. And we'll be going on with the BB cream from J Dot. It is in shade 02 most probably. I'll take a generous amount. A squeeze is enough if you do not have dark spots or pigmentation like me. And obviously I'll blend it well. I'm sorry for sounding lame because I am filming and recording for after so long. It's just kind of I'm out of practice or something, so I'll just blend it in. I won't be going in for full coverage because we are going for a everyday natural look, and BB creams are better than foundations for daily basis because they are creams, and foundation are sort of bit heavier than these creams. So just take the product down on your neck as well. I don't know why, but my camera does not focus well at all, and I'll be filling in my dark circles with it as well because I feel that my eyes are much more pigmented and I don't like that at all. Now I'll be going on with my Miss Rose concealer. It is a bit more towards the natural side, and I like the formula because it gives quite a full coverage for my under eyes and dark spots on my face. That's why I did not apply full coverage foundation. And on the side of my face, because there's a lot of acne and dark spots going on there, I don't know how to handle them. I try my best, but they are very stubborn. And then I'll blend it in as well. Okay, so recently I have been seeing a lot of people with patchy faces after hour or two into the day. So here's a tip: please keep a face powder or a baking powder with you so that you can set up your face or do touch-ups whenever they are needed. Because to be honest, patchy foundation or washed off foundation does not look good. It makes you look tired, and the skin looks really bad with it. So please keep this in mind if you go to university for long hours. Keep a pouch for touch-ups so that you can look fresh all day. It's not like you have to do it every other hour. You can just do it every 3 to 4 hours. Maybe it would just be taking 2 touch-ups or something. So I'll just blend it in well. Also, if you are doing the makeup in the morning, just give your face some time to settle. And here we are done with our base. Next, I am going in with my face powder. It is Sweet Touch London Dual Wet and Dry Compact Powder BE2, and I'll just put it generously under my eyes because my under eyes are very problematic and they make me look so tired if I don't set them well with the compact powder. I really like this product. I used it for the first time and it looked perfect on my skin, to be honest. So I'll give it a thumbs up and recommend it to you guys. You guys must be wondering what I'm trying to do here. I am trying to set my face with powder because I have oily skin and it tends to get very sweaty and oily very fast. So the face powder helps the products to stick in and my makeup goes a long way. Just letting you guys know that I shot this video a month or two back. Now that we are completely done with the face, I'll be moving to my eyes next, and I'm using this Miss Rose eyeshadow palette which has really pretty colors. I'll first dig into the lightest peachy beige shade for the upper part of my crease, towards my brows to give it a better smoky and like well finish. Next we will be going in for like a brown shade for our crease to like give it a prettier depth and make our eyes look prettier. So we would blend this crease color very well with the color we used before, so that our eyes look very much like well blended and the makeup, like the eye makeup, looks like, you know, effortless. It is effortless because it comes together in no time. And now I will be taking the lightest pinkish golden, or you can say champagne shade, for my eyelid. Just make sure that you just like put the shimmer shade from the inner corner to the mid section of your eye, or like extend it a bit towards the, you know, the outer V, and blend it very well because we are going for everyday look and we don't want it to be sharp. And with the eyeshadow brush you were using before for the lids, you can just merge everything. And now I will be using this eyebrow palette from Miniso. So I'll just brush my eyebrows with a spoolie, and next as usual I'll take the darkest shade and like create an outline for my eyebrows, especially on the like lower side. I do it above as well, but not like completely like from the center of the eyebrows. I mean the inner part of the eyebrows, I leave it so that it does look natural, and you can see how I do it. So now that we are done with our eyebrows, I would be doing my eyeliner. I'm using this eyeliner from Wet n Wild. I'll be creating a simple eyeliner that does not look over or something. It looks like very nice and clean. Next I will be putting in some brown shade on my lower lash line so that my eyes look wide open and it like completes our look. Next I'll be going on with my J. Note Cosmetics mascara, and I'll like give it a generous coat on my lashes just so that it just looks enough and not too much for the day. And obviously how can I leave my lower lashes, because I apparently don't have any. So here we are done with our eye look, and next I'll be going in with my blush. This is a blush from J. Note Cosmetics Star Copper 07, and this is a very nice coral everyday shade. I just have to blend it in well to give the perfect look, and it's very smooth and nice if you apply it with a good brush. The brush that comes in with this is like kind of small and like does not work much for me, but like if you are in a hurry it is kind of usable. Okay, so now we will be moving on to our lips. That's our last step. I would be using Apricot 042 Rivage UK lip pencil as my lip liner, and another lip pencil from Essence, that is 03 Luminous Rosewood, for filling in my lips. And I seriously love this lip combo. And here we are done with our today's look. I hope you all enjoyed the video and this has been helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video. Also subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.